Hi, how I made over $500 in one day with affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this video, if you're interested in ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, as someone who wants to get results, or maybe you already experienced affiliate and you want to make some serious life-changing money online, then stay until the end of this video, because once you subscribe to my channel now, you will quickly realize how you can go step by step and create the same results as you can see here right over on my screen. So let's go straight into it. Now, how I did it, I will give you a step-by-step method. So let's go straight into it right now. Now, as you can see over here, right, I create a slides for you so you can see what is going to happen. All right. As you can see, the first thing we have an ad, right? We have an ad. It can be Facebook ad. In this case, let's say Google ad. Again, why I'm always talking about Google ads is because for simple reason, right? If you know anything about marketing online marketing, digital marketing, side hustles, passive income, is you're looking for buyers, right? So quality over quantity. We are not looking for many clicks on your ad. We're looking for the right clicks, the customers, the buyers clicks that we call it. For example, this is my plan. First, I want to know who is my audience. I set up a simple website, an ad, as you can see over here. What I do differently from all these gurus on ClickBank that you're buying courses from, right, is I collect leads. I offer them weight loss supplement on ClickBank or MaxWeb, for example. And then I also, as you can see here on my page, this is one of the pages, right? I offer them to opt in. Now, this is not exactly my website, but I want to show you exactly how the system works. Simple bird's eye overview, bigger picture, right? I collect email, I give them some value upfront, and then I send it to the VSL. As you can see, quiz page or whatever on VSL or ClickBank, and if they don't buy, I anyway collect their email. I build a relationship, a trust over time, over the email marketing system, and I'm getting sales. So I don't have to spend next month, I don't have to spend money on ads anymore, because I have a 10,000 or 50,000 names email list, which I build up over 2 to 3 months, and I can make $500 to $1,000 a day sending one email, 15 minutes of my work every single morning, every single night, morning or night or daytime, doesn't matter. One email a day, straight for 1 month, and it's done for me. So you don't have to write emails, as you're going to see later. It's all done, written for you, but you do have to follow the steps. All right, what is the next thing? The next thing is, you can see over here, right? This is the VSL, sales page, and our lead magnet. So what is lead magnet? Lead magnet can be simple as an ebook or a webinar or a simple PDF download, right? But you have to understand, not every single lead magnet is going to work with every single audience. Very important aspect, right? It makes sense, right? You need to attract the right audiences, right? We are not going to offer a pork stick to a Muslim person, right? If you're a Muslim watching this video, no offense, but I'm just giving a simple example. If you're a Muslim person and you're offering a 50% discount plus $500 extra bonus if you eat this freaking pork steak, no one is going to buy, because the audience is wrong, even though the quality of the product can be really, really good. So, lead magnet, very important thing. Attract perfect prospects and cause them to respond. What you want them to do? Buy the product now, all right? Or put the name and email so you can sell them or promote them later. All right, next thing. As you can see over here, right, we want to have a targeted traffic. So why we want targeted traffic? The simple reason is because we don't want to waste our time, effort, and money. All right, we want to make profit, we want to make money now, we want to make money fast and cheaper. How we do this? By targeting traffic. All right, on Google Ads, Google pay-per-click, Google AdWords campaign. Simple as that. Why? We're looking for buyers. Again, people go to Google to look for the solutions to their pain and problems, right? They have a pain, they have a problem, they need a solution now, they want to buy a product, or they want to get informed. They make informed decision before they tend to decide to buy the product now, right? So we have an opt-in page, as you can see over here. One-time offer could be simple $50 to $100 weight loss supplement on ClickBank. If they don't buy, they still, as you can see over here, right, they join our automated email follow-up sequence where we can sell them or promote them later. That's how it works. Simple as that. But many people don't take action now as they're watching this video. They don't take action and then tend to do nothing or minimum work, minimum investment to get the result they desire. Alright, next thing is why this is important, right? As you can see over here. The old way of getting traffic is no longer effective. If you want to be stressed out, go and do it this way, the way that everyone else is teaching you, to just simply promote ads and expect the sales to come to you. And then you find out sooner or later your account gets shut down on YouTube, your Google ad account gets shut down, or Facebook ad account get shut down, which is not a good thing. Alright, if you want to make money passively every single morning, every single day, without being stressed out about your ad accounts, of course, then you go this path, this way, as I'm showing you right now. Again, higher cost of traffic, prices are going up, clicks, cost per click is going up and up. So you are smart because if you're watching this video, you are smart, I guess, because why? Because you're still here. You want to learn, you want to know, you want to discover new ways of making money online without being stressed out and overcomplicate everything, right? I follow the simple rule, which is KISS. Keep it stupid simple, alright? Simplicity works. We do what works, sometimes can be a little bit boring, but we do it over and over again, and that tends to work. That will bring you $500, $300, $1,000 days, or more, whatever your goal is, whatever your budget is. Alright, the next thing is stages of awareness. What level your audience is at right now, right? You have unaware audiences, problem aware audiences, solution aware audiences, most aware audiences, and product aware audiences. So product aware audiences are really good. We always tend to go for low hanging fruit, right? People who are already in the buyer's frame of mind of a buyer, right? We don't want to persuade anyone, trick anyone, sell to anyone. We just want to jump in before they are about to make a buying decision and give them the damn thing that we promote. Of course, we want to make sure it's a high quality thing. It's not a BS, but high quality thing, so it really helps help people lose weight or make more money, or in a dating relationship, marriage, whatever way you are working, whatever niche you are in, you tend to go after the high quality products so that the people, the customers are more happy and tend to buy more, upsells, so you earn recurring monthly commissions. Name of the game, recurring monthly commissions. Alright, so what you can do next, if you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel now, like this video, and you can connect with me one-on-one. So how you can do that? Stay here. I will share with you where you can reach out to me exactly later, but you can reach me out on my Instagram, right? So you can find me on my IG after watching this video. Again, the links are going to be in the description below. You can find me there. You can see everything I share there on my Facebook, WhatsApp, email. You can also join my private free email list, where I also share with you tips daily or weekly, what actually works, what offers are doing really well for me and other people, and step-by-step guide on how to get started with making money online with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank, with YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, you name it. Alright, what works in 2023 and going further. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and below are my social media accounts where you can reach out to me, and as I can show you right now on the screen, right, this is where you can actually go and find me, as you can see over here, right? So over here you can go and see my Instagram, so you can reach out to me and I will personally make sure that you can get the results that you desire. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe button, and see you the next time.